This is Venkat, founder of iGen. iGen stands for Augmented Artificial Intelligence Generation. If you want to know more about us, you can visit our website www.igen.com, where we have all the products and the services that we offer. So in this series of videos, I'll be covering SAT questions, IELTS, TOEFL, on admission process guidance. I'll also be covering the topics related to technologies, means like Python, robotics, artificial intelligence. So in the coming next series of videos, let me do some SAT questions with you. So in this video, I'll be covering an SAT question, which is a very simple one, but where 99% of students fail to solve them. But you need to remember the following rule. What is the rule is, SAT is not difficult exam, but solving the question in the time that is given is more important to me. Let me take math sections. Section 3 and section 4 together, you have 58 questions and it is for 80 minutes, right? So you have approximately 83 seconds to solve a question. But here, after me showing the question, you can pause the video and take up to 2 minutes. In less than 2 minutes, if you get a correct answer and if you are able to solve question, extraordinary, you are very good, you know the topic. If not, I'll show you, I'll explain you the best way to solve this question. Okay, so let us everyone accept the challenge, and you can throw this challenge to anyone who is preparing for SAT. Yeah. So let me show you a question and the time starts now. The moment you see the question, you need to pause the video and maximum you can take 2 minutes. Okay, yeah. So question I'm going to give you is this. This is the question. So now you can pause the video and time it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, again you can come back and see my explanation. So if this is the question, see how I am going to solve this. But I hope you are solving the question. So I am doing the question here. Yeah. Trapezoid WXYZ is shown above. How much greater is the area of the trapezoid than the area of the parallelogram with the side lengths A and B and base angles of measure 45 and 135? So if I see the trapezium, even the sides of the trapezium are A and B and the angles are 45 and 135. So I'm sure most of you have taken your 2 minutes, and very few might have solved. Even who have solved, they might have got the wrong answer. They gave the 4 options, you can check the options. So who got the wrong answer or who could not solve? Look at my explanation, see how simple is the question, but unnecessarily we complicate. SAT makes us too much thinking will not help you. Okay, yeah. See, if this is the question, my explanation to this question is, he is asking how much greater is the area of the trapezium than the parallelogram formed with the same sides A and B. So I'm just going to draw a parallelogram, a line which is parallel to WX. Let me mark it as some Q. So now this is also A, this is a B. Now I got a parallelogram XYQW with sides A and B. In a parallelogram, if angle WXY is 135, so this angle should be 45 degrees. So since the total angle is 135 degrees, this will become 90 degrees. Since this is 90, this becomes 45. So now what exactly they are asking me? They are asking me how much greater is the area of the trapezium than the parallelogram. Means I just need to find the area of this triangle YQZ. If I see the triangle, if I draw a separate diagram for a triangle, angle Y is 90 degrees, Q and Z both are 45 degrees. I can also make it out YQ is A, so YZ is also A because the sides opposite equal angles are equal. So the area of the triangle is half base into height, which is A square by 2. So answer for this question is A for Agra should be your answer. Such a simple question. So if you have done this question, very good. If not, learn the way. But my intention is to help you to identify your weak areas, work on them and get closer to 800. That is what is my intention. So if you got some knowledge from this video, you can like this video. In the coming videos, I'll be giving you many more questions as such. Frequently from now on, I'll be posting you many questions. So you try to solve them. So solving more and more of these questions will help you to get closer and closer to 800. Thanks.